Aladdin Creations.
In the lab, there's a test we know to tell bacteria's enzyme show. It's called the oxidase, we say, and it helps us find the aerobic way. Purpose is the name of the game. Cytochrome oxidase is its fame. It tells us if oxygen's in the chain of bacteria's breath, plain and plain. The Oxidase Test, it's quick and true. Purple or blue, it's the clue. Cytochrome C, it makes it glow. If it's positive, the colors show. If the color comes or it's too late, that means negative, it's just the fate. Now let's talk about principle, my friend. Cytochrome C oxidase is the trend. If it's there, it transfers to oxygen. Electrons move in, the test begins. The reagent we use, it's quite neat. Tetramethylphenylamine we meet. It turns purple and oxidized fast. Assign the enzymes working at last. Now the procedure, here's what we do. Take some bacteria, a colony or two. Add the reagent, it's clear to the eye. But wait for the color, don't pass it by. In 30 seconds, the truth will tell. Positive or negative, we know it well. Purple means positive, oxidase is here. No change means negative, it's all clear. The Oxidase Test, it's quick and true. Purple or blue, it's the clue. Cytochrome C, it makes it glow. If it's positive, the colors show. If the color comes or it's too late, that means negative, it's just the fate. So in the lab, remember this test. It helps us find bacteria's best. With a drop of reagent, we find the way. The Oxidase Test saves the